Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you and tell you how you can add several of your photos or videos at once to a story in the Snapchat app. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and also be sure to write comments after watching this video. So let's get into this topic. And open the Snapchat app on your phone. After that, swipe from the bottom to the top to go to Memories. Next, select the Camera Roll section. And now, in order to select multiple media files at once, you'll need to either tap on the checkmark sign in that corner, or if you don't have one, like me, then click on an image and hold it down. And then further select what you think you want. Then click in the bottom right corner, Share. Next, select how you want to share your stories, either for friends only or publicly. After that, click Share once again, and all your media files will be uploaded to your story. This is the way, friends, you can very easily add multiple photos or videos to your story on Snapchat app at once. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please put your likes, write your comments, and also please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.